But I thank God, husband is coming back. If you are here and you have been eating and the food is not showing in your body, don't worry. Your husband is coming back.
Praise God.
Gloire à Dieu.
I'm called Nancy.
Je m'appelle Nancy.
I'm here to thank God for what He's doing in my family and for what has already done in my family.
Je suis ici pour remercier Dieu de ce qu'il a fait de ma famille et à moi aussi.
Thank you so much for everything.
Papa, merci pour toutes choses.
May God give you all your heart desires.
Il est bien bon tout ce que vous demandez.
It was on Thursday night.
C'était le jeudi pendant la nuit.
But in fact, I got that call when I was here. I missed the call, but when I reached home, I had to call back.
Oui, j'avais reçu un appel raté. Lorsque je suis arrivé à la maison, j'ai téléphoné moi-même.
The call was from my elder sister and from my mother.
Les coups de téléphone étaient à travers de ma sœur aînée et puis aussi ma mère.
We are 8 from my mother's side and I'm the 6th born.
Nous sommes 8 comme les enfants de ma mère et je suis la 6e.
When something like when it has to do with prayers, maybe something they just have to call me, even my elders.
S'il y a quelque chose pour la prière, on appelle ma sœur et sur les autres.
So this sister, we rarely talk. I don't this kind of person who rarely calls people, not because of maybe any problem, but that's how I am.
Normalement, ma soeur ne parle pas beaucoup avec les gens. Avec moi aussi, je ne parle pas beaucoup avec elle.
So this time when I called her, when I returned her call, she was like, she has been going through a lot, like at night, witches and wizards disturb them a lot, and she is really not okay.
Lorsque j'ai téléphoné à ma sœur, elle a dit que pendant la nuit, elle ne dort pas parce que le diable les trouble pendant la nuit.
And she told me that she had called my mother before calling me, and my mother said, I usually go for prayers somewhere which is here. I do come for prayers here, and when she calls me, I will have a solution to that problem of hers.
Je pense que la première fois, elle a appelé ma mère. Donc ma mère a dit qu'elle puisse me contacter parce que c'est moi qui viens ici prier.
So I told her, it's okay, I will pray for you. Though I don't have your photos, but my mother has your photos and she has the blessed water, and also I'm going to pray for you and you'll see change.
Je lui ai confirmé que je vais le prier et aussi il y a l'eau bénie dans la maison.
Because she said even her first daughter, there was a time they were sleeping, that she woke up when she was stripped naked, even her knickers was cut like maybe a rat has eaten the clothes.
Ma soeur aussi m'a confirmé que pendant la nuit, lorsque ma petite fille est en train de dormir, il était à lever le nid, on a coupé, déchiré les caleçons et les sous-vêtements.
And then she told me she had placed some clothes of hers. I think she had planned to wear it. The following day, that cloth also disappeared.
En plus, il m'a dit aussi qu'il avait mis sa robe dans la caisse, mais c'était disparu aussi.
So I told my mother, you get her the picture, her picture, and then her children's picture, the ones that you have there. You sprinkle the blessed water. I'll also write her name, and I'll sprinkle the water on her name and pray for them.
Alors j'ai dit à ma mère qu'elle puisse avancer l'eau bénie sur la photo, et aussi je vais venir ici pour prier pour elle.
So after 2 days, her phone has been off. Then after 2 days, my mother called her, and she called my mother that the people stopped strangling her, and even the clothes that had disappeared, they brought it back. She called it an action case.
Après 2 jours, ma soeur m'a téléphoné et a dit, maintenant pendant la nuit, il dort sans problème de diable. La robe qui était perdue était récupérée.
And then she told me that she actually wants to know those people that the prophet doesn't know who is strangling them at night, but she wants to know. But I told her, don't worry, you get to know them. First you have to have your peace, you have to sleep. Then after that, God will expose them so long as I stay calm here.
Ma soeur m'a dit elle voudrait savoir ce qui le dérange pendant la nuit, mais je lui ai dit que non, Dieu va le faire voir un jour.
And then the second testimony is about myself.
Mon témoignage c'est sur moi.
Before I started coming here, I've been having a very terrible waist ache.
Avant que je vienne ici, je souffrais de moutons.
Those days when I was growing, when somebody, maybe all people used to say, oh, maybe their waist is paining, I used to think they are maybe just pretending or they're just maybe just bragging, something like that.
Normalement, si les gens parlaient de l'allergie, je dis que non, elle blague, mais j'ai vu ça, j'ai senti ça moi-même.
And then my back used to pain as if maybe there's a crack on my back like that.
Ma hanche souffrait comme s'il y avait des déchirures.
And then since I started coming here, I've been taking the blessed water. Then there was I think the other last week, that time I was seated somewhere there. When Papa told us to get up and start praying, that's when I felt that sharp pain on my back.
Récemment, quand je suis venu ici prier, j'ai prié, mais c'est à ce moment-là que j'ai commencé à constater que mon dos était en train de guérir.
At that time, even for sure, I was like, I didn't even know I know it's the spirit that ministered, that Papa, that day, Papa could go this way. He had to lay hands on me 3 times, and I didn't even know how he knew about that, and I knew that. Later I said, really, God is with Papa.
Lorsque nos pères spirituels priaient pour les gens, ils fréquentaient ici, là-bas, il m'a touché 3 fois. Évidemment, j'ai senti ce qui s'est passé avec moi. J'ai dit que Papa était l'homme de Dieu.
So my advice to everyone here, when you come here, just have faith that something is going to happen to you. Don't even doubt. I used to come with doubt.
Voici mon conseil pour vous. Lorsque j'ai fréquenté ici, j'ai douté la puissance de Papa. Maintenant, chers amis, il ne faut pas douter. Si vous êtes ici, ça va se passer avec vous.
So indeed, God is in this place. So, brethren, just when you're here, just know that one day, even if you started coming last year from January, just know that one day your time will come. So don't give up.
Je vous dis la vérité, Dieu existe ici. Si vous êtes prêts avec la délivrance, un jour, Dieu va vous donner la délivrance à travers Papa.
So Papa, thank you so much for everything.
Papa, merci pour toutes choses.
I know we cannot really pay you back, but we just pray that God will bless you so much.
Je sais que Dieu ne peut pas vous payer, mais Dieu puisse vous donner la bénédiction de plus.
Lisa.
Thank you.
Merci.
Oh my God. It's an amazing testimony.